Welcome to the Emotional Expansion Guided Practice. To begin, I invite you to sit upright in a chair or in your bed or on the floor with your back straight and your feet flat on the floor. Most people find that they are more alert and awake this way, so check it out and see if this is the case for you. Now either close your eyes or fix them on a spot directly in front of you, whichever you prefer. And now take a few slow, deep breaths and really notice the breath flowing in and out of your lungs. Now gently scan your body from head to toe, beginning at your scalp and moving downward, noticing the sensations that you can feel in your head, throat, neck, shoulders, chest, abdomen, arms, hands, legs, and feet. And now take a moment to bring to mind an emotion that you often find yourself struggling with. And now zoom in on the part of your body where you're feeling this feeling most intensely. Observe the feeling closely, as if you are a curious scientist who has never encountered anything like this before. Observe the sensation carefully, allowing your thoughts to come and go like passing cars, and keeping your attention on the feeling, noticing where it starts and where it stops. Learn as much about it as you can. Is it on the surface of your body or inside you, or both? How far inside of you does it go? Where is it most intense? Where is it the weakest? If you drift off into your thoughts as soon as you realize it, come back and focus on the sensation. Observe it with curiosity. Is it moving or still? Is it light or heavy? Noticing the different elements within. There may be multiple sensations. Notice the different layers. Take a moment now to reflect on when this emotion surfaces for you most intensely. Maybe it's around certain people. Maybe it's when you meet with the doctor. Maybe it's when you're by yourself. As you continue to observe this feeling in your body, breathe into it, imagining your breath flowing into and around this feeling. Breathing into and around it. And as you're breathing into it, it's as if in some magical way, all this space opens up inside you. You open up around this feeling. Make space for it. Expand around it. However you make sense of that. Breathing into it and opening up around it. And see if you can just allow this feeling to be there. You don't have to like it or want it. Just allow it. Letting it be. Observe it. Breathe into it. Open up around it and allow it to be as it is. You may feel an urge to fight with it or push it away. If so, just acknowledge the urge is there without acting on it, and continue observing the sensation. If it changes by itself, that's okay. If it doesn't change, that's okay too. Changing or getting rid of the feeling is not the goal. Your aim is simply to allow it, to let it be. This feeling tells you some valuable information. It tells you that you're a normal human being with a heart. It tells you that you care, that there are things in life that matter to you. And this is what humans feel when there's a gap between what we want and what we've got. The bigger the gap, the bigger the feeling. If you're comfortable, take one of your hands and place it on the part of the body where you feel this emotion. Imagine that this is a healing hand, the hand of a loving friend or parent or nurse, and feel the warmth flowing from your hand into your body. Not to get rid of the feeling, but to make room for it, to soften up and loosen up around it. And letting your hand fall, once again breathe into the feeling and expand around it. For the last several minutes, we have focused your attention on this feeling. Now it's time to expand your awareness to your whole body, noticing your arms and legs, head and neck, and notice that you are in control of your arms and legs, regardless of what you're feeling. Now expand your awareness to the room around you. Seeing what you can notice in this moment. Feel free to stretch your body and move around a little. And when you are ready, open your eyes and bring yourself back to the room.